Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: former Meghalaya Chief Minister Dr. Didi Lapang lays the foundation stone of Northern Ribhoi College permanent campus at Umden in Ribhoi district. 3 social organizations hold protest rally in front of Kyang statue at Barik and Shillong to demand suspension of police personnel involved in the killing. Thank you. SSA Association expresses concern over absence of Meghalaya Education Minister from Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Jayantia Students Union Sindai unit undertakes check of construction works. And now the news in detail. Former Meghalaya Chief Minister Dr. Didi Lapang today laid the foundation stone of Northern Ribhoi College permanent campus at Umden in Ribhoi district. By Shillong Lok Sabha member Vincent Pala, Mayoral Bonds of Nongpo, MDCs Balajit Rani and Charles Marngar, Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District Rosita Merikurba, SEO VS Nongbet, students, teachers and others. Roy MLA Mayoral Bonds aim donated 5 lakh rupees toward the college.
Today is a moment of my happiest moment that I have. Oh, how can I see? How can I portray? Kadeka, Jinkman, Kraftam, Welcome. Barack Obama, President of America. I'm not very happy because I won the election as president. But I am happy today because the story, the assurance and the promise of forefathers has been translated into reality. Kalong mga kemende mga President Amerika. Na kemen nomor ba papa kemen junga ki kren ya ka ba kalalong mo taksi. Kalong Dr. Luther Martin. Tobreu, the black, great Negro Christian leader. But having kran go pon to lead you, don't kawai in kran you, but baraka portray, come you collect you no you collect it. But having kran you along, I have a dream. Madame the Jim Cosme, Twitter Center, Don Buckley. Dear Dr. Martin, what does it mean by you referring always to having a dream? Yes, I have a dream. And that dream is one day a dark Negro will see his bright tomorrow. Now,
Three social organizations belonging to Khasi Students Union, New Trap National Youth Front, Federation of Khasi, Jayantia and Garo people to held a protest rally at the statue of freedom fighter Ukyang Nongba at Barik Point and Shillong to demand from the state government to immediately suspend the police personnel involved in the killing of the surrendered HNLC, thank you, on the 13th of last month. The 3 organizations supported by Ribhoi Youth Front said that they wholeheartedly support Kasur Kinomaulai that demanded immediate suspension of police personnel involved in the unfortunate Maulai Kinton Masar incident that led to the killing of thank you. Speaking at the protest rally, one of the social activists, Saron Bla, informed that under Article 310 of the Indian Constitution, the state government does not have the power to suspend the Indian police service personnel and bureaucrats belonging to the Indian Administration Service. He further added that if the state government is sincere in its intention, it should immediately enter about the incident 24 hours of the incident that will facilitate their removal. Blas said, more than 1 month has passed after the incident occurred and the state government is yet to suspend the top police personnel.
Thank you. But kung sausang Panginoon Jetray Habubun ibenta jogo jebulu isutunak pangirasgo manakalan-kalan kari kasi Jayantia Kilawan kanai Kesian yang kesur Pinong Molai bat group yang keseng HPF kebalawan manai Kesian ini hakan ini. Ini adalah lagi apa? Yang kata cing syale thambor iba share service thangkeu tang halor kecing suba ba idol kti hak kecing pentai bom kat adu kata sediap sudah ni uriu nrei habang ipet yang bentar apa kat cibriu kibala penyiap yo rajib kandi haus nam khat kantai spa kantai buai hadu mentah kidang don hajir om sim la sediap iki hadu mentah kidang don kohok banapil ban like no na kata kalai pun pesan benru henry kabaphala kram kanu kacing syong bisa kram kanu ka bisa ka khadar larai penyiap yai baci tang halor kacing suba bai dol keti kata kacing pentai bom kani kalong kei ka bang yumla ban piliang kacing penyiap jong sarkar iba share service thangkeu halor kacing suba bai dol keti pentai bom kala pelong yang ni wei pawai dukot jong jai kunriu bangin dei no ubom nang ni sakma ha kacing long mat long yang kejobi undai ubom ba wala ban buthai kanu kapor bat kasyong sarkar kumlo kan tam ya kata kacing ki kapan sabuthai.
The SSA Association today expressed concern of the absence of Education Minister on the last day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. In a statement issued to the media, the president of SSA Association, Aristotle Rimbai, said, strongly condemns the abrupt reflects his irresponsibility toward improving the quality of education in the state.
From Meghalaya SSA School Association, we are here to express our concern of what had happened in the last day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, that is on 17 September 2021. We, the SSA teachers, are surprised and shocked to see that the Honorable Minister in charge education, Sir Lakman Rumbui, is absent from the August House at the time when the Honorable MLA of Mausanram constituency, Sir Himalaya Muktang Changpiliang, raised and aired the grievances of SSA teachers, which include creation and merging of all the 12,541 SSA teachers from the State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of RT Act 2009, and for release the pending salary for 3 months to the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of June, July and August 2021 for discussion and to draw the attention of the state government and also to know the stand of the state government on the issue which relates to the welfare of the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. We, the SSA teachers, are expecting to see a positive response from the Honorable Education Minister, but very unfortunate to see that the Minister himself is absent from the August House during the discussion, which we feel to strongly condemn this act of the Education Minister for not present in the August House during the discussion for the reason which is well known to him. Nevertheless, it reflects his irresponsible and incompetent as a minister. Added to this, as decided on 14 September 2021 during the peaceful protest sit-in demonstration at Malki Playground Shillong, we strongly demands from the state government to fulfill our 3 demands, which include creation and merging of the 12,541 SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of RT Act 2009, number 1. Number 2, implementation of pay structure and to enhance the salary of 12,541 SSA teachers working under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. And number 3, to release the pending salary for 3 months to the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of June, July and August 2021 on or before 30th September 2021 2021, failing which the 12,541 SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya will go for a 2 days mass casual leave, that is on 11 and 12 October 2021.
Jantia Students Union Sindai unit, along with Muktapur Police, today made a surprise check of different construction works area in a village in West Jantia Hills district. During their checking, led by the General Secretary Hei Kitariang, Bantelang Suliang, and Secretary M. Suliang, it was found out a large number of non-tribal laborers who did not have the labor license, and they were asked to leave these places so that it may not pose a security in the area.
Ini program ke JSU sendai ni, kawa amin ko chang sendai, rawah pai kan seli kon sedang tai kar, jua krek ini gua dapat krek dawi kontraktor, hadir dua keseng dicam gua kawa membiang kon sedang ki, keseng dah tak sengat ki krek, bawa chong thal ki karum membiang kon sedang ki. Keseng ka kepat ke ki kontraktor jua per apa yang jelas orang gawi. Wa mho wan rak kulmar gi bar jela yum pem biang kot sla nang ha wa yoi kat ni mo kat kam man kat te to ga ILP to ti gawi man gawi go dimani naga bai sarkar mi kesengka ke pajur go kontraktor go per go krak kam ho ke jelang kaliang i usah ba go urak di bar jela go ada wi star kot sla ki tentu gale yagi bar yagi kontraktor wo to siapa gi ilat gi tri jela wo ki krak gi entah kam go pero nang wa ada im ilat yigi trejela kamono i yo kata experience ada om beti tak gi trejela mtip gi krak lanem nam gi kita experience kamono tiban gi kita experience kan da ilat pi ukrak gi senja siu sendai ini go por kerpat jol ka ya woro produk persnam sama rong lang gi produk persnam yang dewa i kejing kercan yang ki liang kang jam dewa i ki krak gi den yo imja imsi dewa mhoi ukar mutai rucimet dan hi yo mutai rucimet dan hi terus teran hi kuda cibot.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.